Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're standing in front of my sunflower, lettuce, and cucumber bed. And as you saw, the sunflowers have started to open up and flower. They look beautiful. We're going to try to trellis the cucumbers today. It looks like some of them have, of the six that I had, it looks like three have died or are in the process of dying. So I want to see if I can get them trellised, and maybe that will help them along. And I thought I would show you how I'm going to do it. So I need to put a T-post here at the edge of the bed, and I ordered some off of Amazon. I got 10 7-foot tall posts, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get them into the ground when I'm only 5'4". But I'll figure out something and bring you along. So I have the T-post in. It's taller than my other ones, but I think it will do for my purposes. I have a 3.5 mesh trellis netting that I got off of, I believe, Temu. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it using uh, these flex wraps, cable ties rather, using these cable ties. And hopefully everything will work out like I want it. So we have the netting up, and obviously the netting was too big for this area. So the rest of it is just tied with the cable ties down at that post. I'm going to go ahead now and weave the cucumbers up into the netting, and then we'll be done. So I wrapped, or twined rather, 4 of the 6 cucumbers that I planted into the netting. 2 of the cucumbers are dead. It looks like they are rotted from the bottom. So hopefully the plant will catch on and pull itself up the netting and we'll be good. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we put the trellis up for my cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it, and I hope it brought a smile to your face. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.